this is Bernice, and for this video I will be teaching you how to do helicopter. So for this movement, you will be using your right hand to lead. So let's start by doing one hand at a time. So you're going to throw your right hand back behind your head, twist your body and your wrist, and you throw it forward. Now make sure to bring that hand all the way around to go back up and back behind your head. Twist your head and body and throw it forward. This is what it looks like from the back. Back behind your head, twist your wrist and your body and throw forward. Back behind your head, twist, twist, forward, bring it all the way around. And again. Just do this movement as many times as you like till you feel very comfortable with it. Now we're going to do the left hand. And it's the same thing, you just bring it up, back behind your head, you twist, twist, and throw it forward. Make sure you bring it all the way around. This is what it looks like from the back. When you've gotten comfortable doing this movement with both hands, it's time to do it together. So you want to start with your right leading and your left follows. So your right goes first back and your right goes first forward. So you see how your left follows. So you bring up the right, throw it back, your left, throw it back. Then your right goes first, you bring it forward, and you bring it all the way around. So this is what it looks like from the back. You bring it back, back. Make sure you twist your body and wrist to then throw it forward. You want to twist so the movement looks correct, how it's supposed to look. So make sure you're twisting those wrists, and I will show you in a second how to twist them and throw it forward and around so the movement looks how it's supposed to look. Forward, forward, all the way around. Back, back, forward, forward, around, back, back, twist, forward, forward. So you saw that movement I did. I twisted my wrists and it did kind of like a circle, so I twisted them and then I threw them forward. That's what you want. And I'm going to demonstrate that now without the flags. So you go back, back, your wrist twist with your body, and then you throw forward the right and then the left. So you bring it up, up, back, back, twist, and then throw, throw. Make sure you practice this a couple of times before doing it with the flags. Here's how it looks with the flags. And once you get the hang of this and you start flowing more, then you've got it.